Following events of this weekend, attention is now firmly focused on the accelerating spread of the coronavirus outside of China. Italy is now experiencing a supercluster of new cases that has sealed off northern Italy. As I create this video, the Dow futures are down 354, the Nasdaq futures are down 158, and the S&P 500 futures are down 41.25. More importantly, China finds itself in the most diabolic catch-22 of its communist history. Unless China reboots its economy soon, it faces an economic shock the likes of which it has never seen before in modern times. Yet it can't reboot the economy unless it truly stops the viral pandemic, something it will never be able to do if it lies to the population that the pandemic is almost over in hopes of forcing people to get back to work. Before, China could easily lie its way out of any problem. In this case, lying will only make the underlying problem worse as sick people return to work, only to infect even more co-workers, forcing even more businesses to be quarantined. And finally, China's top leader, Xi Jinping, told officials at a Communist Party meeting this weekend that the COVID-19 outbreak is a big test for the country. Xi warned the short-term financial stress could be imminent. As proof, Goldman Sachs' recent commodity report suggests that apparent demand in China is down a massive 66% year over year. The coronavirus pandemic means that the vast majority of Chinese small and medium firms are estimated to have at most 2 to 3 months of cash left. This is a potentially catastrophic outcome that would not only cripple China's economy, but its $40 trillion financial system. So I beg you all to be patient and hold your cash tight. On another note, because of weather conditions where I live and the electrical outages we're experiencing, I will not have the regular scheduled Monday video. And so for today, that's ChewDog Charts. Thank you.